Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm here to invite you on a beach walking tour in beautiful Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Today I'm gonna show you some of the most beautiful beaches the city has to offer. It's going to be an amazing trip, so before we get started don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let's get started. Rio is home to 365 days sunshine, making it a great place for being at the beach. We'll start off at Copacabana, one of the world's most famous beaches. It's a great place to take a dip in the ocean and take some pictures of the iconic Copacabana Palace. Then we will head to Ipanema, where you can experience the true spirit of Rio. Live music, delicious caipirinha cocktails, and miles of beachfront. What more can you ask for? We'll also explore Barra da Tijuca, a vibrant beach with plenty of restaurants and activities for the whole family. After that, we'll take a break and stop for lunch at Botafogo, a neighborhood full of great food options from seafood to traditional Brazilian dishes. Next up, it's Prainha. This hidden gem is one of the few places in Rio with crystal clear waters ideal for a refreshing swim. If you're lucky, you might even spot a few sea turtles swimming nearby. Lastly, we'll explore the beautiful beaches of Guanabara Bay and the beaches near Niterói. That's it for today's tour. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this beach tour informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with more amazing Rio de Janeiro tours. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.